Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented to you by Chiacon Consulting. In this video, we will learn about global variables in UiPath. So let's just quickly discuss what exactly global variable is. So in UiPath, the global variables are those variables that are declared at the project level, but their scope extend throughout the automation project. So these variables, we create these global variables once in our project, and then we can use this variable throughout the different workflow sequences that we have in our project. So here's why you want to use the global variable in your project. So first, data sharing is very easy once you use the global variable. Ease of maintenance, you don't need to maintain multiple arguments for different workflows. You can directly use one global variable and you can use it throughout the entire project. The performance is also increased, and the cross workflow communication is also very easy once you start using the global variable. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly jump onto the studio and I will show you how you can create a global variable. So now I will show you how you can create a global variable. So now we have this main sequence here. So what I'll do is I'll click on data manager and I will select this variables and I will click on this plus icon. So it is showing me an option to create variable, argument and constant. So now what we need to do is we need to create an variable. I will provide this name as global var. Just an example, the scope would be global, right? So if you want to provide the default value, so it's like you need to provide a username and you need to provide a password. You can directly use that global variable and you can use it into multiple places. Similarly, there might be multiple use cases that on where you need to use the global variable. That totally depends on you. So I'll change the scope as global. I will provide a variable name as global var, and I will provide a default value. This is global variable test. Okay, I will click on this OK button. So now you can see here our global variable is created, right? So now as you can see we have this sequence. So what I'll do is I will invoke this sequence here. I'll go to this sequence and I will take an activity which is message box. Okay, and now I will pass our variable here, global variable. See, I don't need to pass any argument, I don't need to create any variable. So now if I will run this, I will debug this, you will get to see it will show me that default value that we have added for our global variable. See, like this. And if you have provided a default value in your variable, so you can change that as well. I'll take one assign activity. I will take global var here. I'm sorry, and I will change the value as updated value. Now, if I will debug this, now the default value will get changed with this updated value. See, it is very simple. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query or any question. Thank you so much for watching.